you think this is more better? Because in Bayes rule, in order to compute probability, wow, so much of hassle. You have to compute likelihood, then I will compute prior, then I will multiply them, then I will divide with evidence. My God. This is far easy. You can easily compute this probability with the help of a formula. Sigmoid activation function. That means 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power minus w1 x1 plus w2 x2, okay, plus w3 x3 plus w4 x4 plus w5 x5,
which is z,
plus b. And guys, please don't worry if you don't understand this maths, that why we are doing what we are doing. Because after this mathematical intuition, I will also talk about the geometric intuition. That means we'll try to understand through figures that what we are trying to do. अगर आपको मैथ नहीं समझ में आ रही है कि हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं जो कर रहे हैं, या फिर आप मैक्सिमम लेवल एस्टिमेशन भूल चुके हो, या आपको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कि ये क्यों किया, हमने बर्नौली क्यों ली, why we took Bernoulli distribution. If you have forgotten whatever you have studied in the previous semester, don't worry, I will also try to make you understand the concept behind all the algorithms through drawings. That will make sense. But right now, algorithm is made up of mathematics, so we don't have any other option. So basically, this is our probability. Okay? Now let's get back to our scenario of Bernoulli distribution. So I yesterday told in the class, मैंने आप लोगों को एक बात बताई थी कि ये क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में भी आया था. You got this question in an exam that you have a column Y and you have 10 Bernoulli trials. And out of 10 Bernoulli trials, you have 3 failures and 7 successes. So basically, I have 3 failures. Okay, 0, 0, 0, and rest of them are successes. So there are 7 successes. Okay, let's take a random data point from this column, any ith data point from this column, and let's call it yi. yi can be either 0 or 1. मुझे नहीं पता yi क्या होगा, वो I इंडेक्स पे डिपेंड करेगा कि मैं कौन सी वाली वैल्यू उठा रहा हूँ. I also don't know what value I'm picking up. What is the value of I? Which index value I'm picking up? I don't know whether it will be 0 or 1. So I have generalized it with yi.